Well, India has set a vaccination record, an all-time high for India, as we are now touching nearly 80 lakh vaccine doses. That's at 8 o'clock this evening. Madhya Pradesh had the highest vaccine doses at 14 lakhs plus. Remember today, June the 21st, the first day of the government saying free vaccines for all except those in private hospitals. And that really is a remarkable milestone today. Remember, India has to reach about 97 lakh people to reach our ambitious plan of December of vaccinating all eligible adults. But with crossing 80 lakhs, nearly touching 80 lakhs, we've reached a major milestone. Let's just look at what this actually means. So today's vaccinations is a 137% jump from our usual average, which is about 33.7 lakh doses. It surpasses the 2nd April record of 42 lakhs. In fact, what's required to vaccinate all adult Indians is 97.51 lakhs. So we're touching today 80 lakhs. So that's pretty good, and we need to keep up this pace. Let's just look also at globally, because now currently India is at the 3rd highest vaccinations globally. Overall, China is at 1.03 billion. Now, of course, China's figures can't really be verified independently. These are the figures they claim. The United States number 2nd, followed by India, then Brazil, UK, Germany, way behind. But of course, what's important is the percentage of our population, and there India still has a long way to go. We're currently just under 4% of our adult population vaccinated. But let's look at the major focus and the thrust of today's huge vaccination drive across India, a record nearly 80 lakh Indians vaccinated with the first dose today.
India crossed its highest daily vaccinations today with nearly 80 lakh doses earlier this evening on the first day of a fresh push, making jabs free for all. Karnataka was the front runner with over 9.8 lakh vaccinations today by 7 p.m, while it usually vaccinates 1.5 lakh people daily. Karnataka had set a target of vaccinating up to 7 lakh people today.
Opening up almost inevitably leads to a rising number of COVID-19 cases. And as Karnataka lifts lockdown restrictions, the state has been organizing free vaccination camps in many parts of Karnataka. And here in Bengaluru, the BBMP is also organizing free camps in work spots like this one. The hope that mass vaccination can help to lessen the impact of the third wave.
In Maharashtra, 3.6 lakh vaccinations were done by 7 p.m. in comparison to the usual daily vaccinations of around 2.7 lakh.
I wanted to get vaccinated as soon as possible. I have a kid, so I didn't want to, take any chances further with all these things that's coming up.
In Uttar Pradesh, till 7 p.m, the state had vaccinated 6.3 lakh people, much higher than its usual daily vaccinations of 3.5 lakh.
On the streets of Lucknow, especially near Chief Minister Adityanath's residence, there are multiple billboards talking about the big push of the Uttar Pradesh government for vaccinations.
But UP's other big challenge, vaccine hesitancy, especially in the state's vast rural areas.
अरे ये देखिए मुख्यमंत्री भी लगवा रहे हैं, प्रधानमंत्री भी लगवा रहे हैं।
क्या आपको तकलीफ हो रहा है, क्या परेशानी है कि आप लोग टीका नहीं लगवा रहे हैं? वो लोग कोई भी जवाब नहीं दे रहे हैं, बस बोल रहे हैं कि हमें नहीं लगवाना। हम पूछ रहे हैं क्यों नहीं लगवा रहे हैं, रीजन क्या है, रीजन भी वो लोग नहीं बता रहे हैं। और कुछ लोग तो इतना वो करने लगे, पैर तक पकड़ने लग रहे हैं कि मैडम हमें नहीं लगवाना है, आप चली जाइए।
Assam, which has one of the lowest vaccination rate in the country, inoculated 3 lakh people by 7 p.m. instead of average 1 lakh vaccinations per day.
Assam has launched a mega vaccination drive. The aim is to inoculate at least 30 lakh people in coming 10 days, and therefore 2,000 vaccine centers like this one has been opened up. The public response has also been good on day one, and the government says if required in urban areas, vaccine centers would remain open for 12 hours a day.
ऑनलाइन के लिए प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था, हम लोग को मिल नहीं रहा है, मौका नहीं मिल रहा है। तो अभी क्या है, जो अभी ऐसे खुलेआम दे दिया, डायरेक्ट दिया सरकार, तो उसका वजह से हम लोग को भी ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट है, जो हम लोग आके डायरेक्ट वैक्सीन ले।
The Bengal government has decided not to do universal free vaccination from today. They are going a little slow because vaccine supplies are low.
However, Delhi had 75,000 vaccinations by 7 p.m. Its usual daily vaccinations are around 85,000. The state also complained of shortage of stock.
दिल्ली सरकार को भी इन्होंने कहा, दिल्ली सरकार के अफसरों को कहा कि दिल्ली की सरकार की तरफ से भी ये विज्ञापन जाना चाहिए, धन्यवाद मोदी जी, मुफ्त वैक्सीन। मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि लोगों को विज्ञापन की नहीं, वैक्सीन की जरूरत है। 2,94,00,000 वैक्सीन, जैसा मैंने कहा, दिल्ली के लिए चाहिए। भारतीय जनता पार्टी को शर्म आनी चाहिए कि वैक्सीन तो दे रहे हैं 15 लाख और ऊपर से अफसरों पर दबाव डाल रहे हैं कि विज्ञापन दीजिए।
The government had earlier declared its ambitious target of covering the whole adult population of 108 crore by the end of this year. But for India to achieve that goal, it will have to maintain the consistency of its vaccination drive. Bureau report for NDTV.